Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how you make spinach dip step by step. Start by thawing 8 ounces frozen spinach and squeeze firmly to remove water. Mix spinach with 1 cup sour cream, 1 cup mayonnaise, and 1 cup shredded cheese until smooth. Add 1 clove minced garlic, salt, and pepper to taste, then chill for at least 30 minutes to let flavors meld before serving with crackers or veggies. Whisk ingredients together gently so the dip stays creamy and textured without becoming runny. Use a spoon to fold the spinach into the base, ensuring even distribution of garlic and cheese. If you like brightness, stir in 1 teaspoon lemon juice or a pinch of red pepper flakes for heat. Taste and tweak salt and pepper, then cover and refrigerate to allow the flavors to marry and mellow into a cohesive. If you prefer a warm, bubbly version, transfer the spinach dip to an oven-safe dish and bake at 350 degrees F for about 20 minutes. Sprinkle extra cheese or breadcrumbs on top for a golden crust and set under the broiler for a minute if you like more color. Let it rest a few minutes after baking so it sets slightly, then serve with sliced baguette, chips, or crisp vegetable sticks for dipping and sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.